And now for an update on the COVID-19 situation around the world. In a major development, the first U.S. death from COVID-19 turns out to have taken place 20 days before previously thought. In Europe, the situation seemed to stabilize and countries are loosening their measures on COVID-19 restrictions. Over here in Asia, another cluster infection has been reported on a cruise ship docked in Japan. Our Kyung-eun reports.
A major change in the timeline of COVID-19 spread in the United States. Autopsies have found the first coronavirus death in the U.S. occurred in early February, 20 days earlier than previously thought. Health officials in California said Tuesday that 2 people who died on February 6th and 17th in Santa Clara County had the virus. Initially, the country's first fatality was thought to have occurred on February 26th. It is not yet known how the people contracted the virus, but they are thought to be community transmissions. In the meantime, the U.S. saw another big surge in fatalities on Tuesday, reporting a record of over 2,800 new deaths. That brings the total number of COVID-19 deaths in the country to over 47,000 as of Wednesday local time. In Europe, the situation seems to be stabilizing and countries are beginning to ease restrictions. Italy has approved agricultural and manufacturing sectors to resume activities starting April 27th. And once the previous lockdown order officially ends on May 4th, commerce and other businesses will also join, along with the possibility of bringing back sports that have been suspended for roughly 2 months. Other European countries on Balkan Peninsula, like Serbia and Albania, have already taken similar measures. But the UK says, given the circumstances there, it is too early for Britain to consider doing the same. In the meantime, another cluster infection was reported on a cruise ship docked in Japan on Wednesday. 34 people on an Italian cruise ship that's been docked at a port in Nagasaki Prefecture for repairs have tested positive for COVID-19. This comes after the massive cluster from the Princess Diamond cruise ship in February. On Wednesday, the number of newly confirmed cases in Japan rose back to the 400 range. The overall number of cases of COVID-19 in Japan is now more than 11,000. Deaths have topped 280. Kyung-eun, Arirang News.